Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm two essentials now. Your iPhone supports Express cards without power, and the card is already in Wallet. Open Wallet and set the card to Express Transit or Express Payment. This enables NFC use when the phone appears dead. Once done, place the back of your iPhone near the terminal. You don't have to unlock. Make sure you know your Apple ID password in case a later step requires re-authentication or recovery after the merchant attempt. Position the iPhone so its top or back aligns with the terminal's NFC spot and hold steady for 1 to 3 seconds. This maximizes antenna coupling. If the terminal supports Express cards, the transaction will process without screen power. Once you hear the chime or feel vibration, transaction success is likely. If the terminal asks for verification, the merchant may switch to manual entry or request your ID. Be prepared to authenticate after a successful tap. Confirm the terminal shows approval and take the receipt. You're done. If the tap fails, first ask the cashier to retry or reboot their terminal, then try repositioning your iPhone and tap again. If it still won't work, switch to your physical card or contact your bank. If Wallet disabled the card, sign into your Apple ID on another device or iCloud. Com to re-enable or remove and re-add the card. This clears most account-side blocks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.